What did your parents say to you as a kid that still affects you today? My mom told me I was too ugly to ever get married, so I should focus on being smart instead. I was 8 years old, getting ready for school picture day. I had put on my favorite pink dress and asked my mom to help me with my hair. She looked at me in the mirror and sighed. "Honey, you're not going to be one of those pretty girls," she said matter-of-factly. "You should really focus on your studies instead of worrying about how you look. Pretty girls have it easy, but girls like you need to work twice as hard." I remember staring at my reflection, trying to see what she saw. Was my nose too big? Were my eyes too small? From that day on, I threw myself into books and avoided mirrors. I never wore makeup, never cared about clothes, and definitely never thought about dating. Why bother when my own mother said I was too ugly? In high school, when boys showed interest, I assumed they were joking or making fun of me. I graduated valedictorian and got a full scholarship to medical school. My mom was proud. "See, I told you being smart would pay off more than being pretty," she said at graduation. In college, I buried myself in studies even more. When classmates invited me out, I